Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to Kenya. So fasten up your seat belts. I want to carry you guys along. Hello my Kenyan friends. Hello Wingo. I am coming to your place today. So today's recipe is beef pilau masala. Before we start cooking, let me use this opportunity to thank all our returning subscribers. Thank you for your love and support. I don't take it for granted. If it's your first time of seeing me, my name is Chinwe. Please kindly subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each time we upload new video. So I'm going to introduce the ingredients for this recipe. Here are my ingredients. I have here star aniseed, black pepper, cumin seed. I have green cardamom. I have cloves and cinnamon sticks. Over here I have my red onion. I have some salt here, 1 seasoning cube, ginger, garlic, well-washed beef, and my basmati rice, 2 cups of basmati rice. So we'll start by cooking our meat. Now I'm going to transfer the beef in my pot and then season it with garlic and ginger. This recipe doesn't need too much ingredients. You only need all this flavor. So I'm going to add little salt and 1 seasoning cube, no cube. So I'm going to add my ginger and some garlic. Mix together. Cover it to cook. I'm going to use this, my frying pan or pancake pan, anyone you want to call it. I'm going to use it to roast our spices. I'm going to roast it to enhance the flavor of this recipe. The aroma is everywhere in my kitchen. Now I'm going to set it aside to cool before grinding. Now the spices has cooled down. I'm going to grind it now. Our spices is ready. Now I'm going to set it aside and dice my onion. Okay, let's check on our meat. Look at that. Now I'm going to add coconut oil in my pot. I choose coconut oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So I'm going to add in coconut oil and allow it to melt. Now my oil has heated enough. This is where the magic begins. I'm going to add the onion. I have to fry this onion until it turns golden color. Now as you can see, our onion is well caramelized. I just added my garlic. I'm going to add in the meat and the small stock. Okay. Then add in our spices. The aroma is everywhere. So I'm going to add in my washed rice. I have washed my basmati rice. Now stir. Now I'm going to add in hot water and allow it to cook. I'm going to rinse my plates and then add water to cover. The flavor. Remember to taste for salt. The salt is okay. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to cut the vegetable that we are going to use to serve the rice. Now add a pinch of salt. Now some black pepper. Now I'm going to squeeze some lime. Now mix together. After mixing, set it aside. Now let's check on our rice. The aroma is popping. Ooh, look at that. Our rice is ready. Ready. I'm going to dish it out. And Kenya, here we come. Here we come. This is super good. Kenya, here we come. Here we come. Here we come, Kenya. Here we come. Here we come. Okay guys, we are done cooking. My Kenyan friends, gather here. Gather. Call your friends and families. Gather here now. Let's do justice to this yumminess. Look at that. The plating alone is so beautiful. The onion and the tomato, the side dish is speaking here, okay? Look at it. Oh. This rice is all about flavor, and the coconut oil I used enhances the taste the more. Super good. Then the onion. Everything will melt in your mouth. Honestly. It's good to try new things. This is so good. I forgot now that I'm still filming. Let me just end this. Let me end this video and go and enjoy this beautiful meal. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for going with me today, traveling with me today. I really appreciate you all. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, okay? I love you all as always. Always be positive. See you in our next video. Bye. I can't wait. Let me go and bye, guys.